Hello, my video here again from Cook with Junella. You know what? Today, just like I cook I doing some spring roll using tofu skin or bean cut sheet. So bean cut skin. So this is how it look like. So yeah, it's crispy outside and soft inside. Yeah, because the bean cut is when you fry it, become very crispy. So my feeling of this inside is minced meat, prawns, water chestnut, and some shallot, garlics, and seasoning. Yeah, it's our ingredient for Ngoh Hiang. So first we have the water chestnuts here, which is I already washed, and I still need to chop this one into cubes. And we have the oyster sauce, the light sauce, the sesame oil, white pepper powder, 1 egg, and to this I need to put corn flour to soften the meat later, and the shallot, fried shallot, sliced garlic, and prawns I already washed and deboned, and of course our minced meat here. Okay, and okay, Ngoh Hiang, this is the Chinese style. So Singapore here, we're not using, it's like spring roll, but instead of rub the flour, but this one is made of soybean wrap. So this is how it looks like. Later I'm going to show you when I'm going to cut this into pieces. So yeah. Okay, now to this I'm going to add in my corn flour first. I want the corn flour to marinate the meat so that the corn flour will get tenderize the meat and give smooth texture to the minced meat. So I always love to put corn flour in meat in cooking. So it's very important in cooking. The corn flour or starch, whatever you have. So to this I'm going to add in my sesame oil. Oh, this is very good. So sesame oil in here. So just keep on mixing. So yeah, while I'm going to slice my water chestnut, so it will, because I don't have enough time. Actually, if marinate this one overnight, it's more nicer, it's better. So since I don't have time, so I just marinate for a while. So the egg in here. So we're going to add all the seasoning first. Now the light sauce, the sesame oil, the oyster sauce, light sauce, oyster sauce, and our ground white pepper powder, and our garlic, and fried shallot. Okay, this is the interesting part. Mix. It's fun, right? See, this is how to make Ngoh Hiang, Singapore style this one. So it's easy. Let me mix this one. Okay, just now I've forgotten to put the sugar. We need sugar to balance the saltiness. Just a little bit. So I'm going to mix this again. So then I will cover this one first while I'm chopping my water chestnut and our prawns. So I'm going to slice our water chestnut here. So just like this. This is to add crispiness inside the Ngoh Hiang, like the roll. It's like spring roll. So this is very sweet too. That's why I just put a little bit of sugar, very little, because water chestnut it's sweet. So yes. So let me finish all this one. Okay, our water chestnut is done. So now our prawns. Again, it's the same. Have to slice this one. Not too small and not too big. It's nice. Okay, our prawns already done cutting here. So as you can see, our water chestnut. Oh, this is very, very nice, guys. I tell you. So I have. So when you think your mixture is too wet, so you can add in flour. Don't worry, it won't harm. It won't spoil the taste. It's still the same. So now it's a bit dry now, so easy to roll. Because if too wet, so difficult to roll. So yeah, just like this. Very easy, right? Okay, so here's our skin. This is soybean skin. This is how it looks like. So it's quite kind of big, something like this. So what I do, I'm going to open this one and then cut. So I just follow the line that they cut. Actually, it's easier to cut like this. So I just show you how big is that. So yeah, I just cut. Okay, so cutting this one. And this skin is salty, so before using it, I make sure I will wipe this one with a cloth, kitchen towel, which is okay, and then cut this one. Yeah, so this is how it looks like now. It's very thin, as you can see. Soybean skin, they call it. So it is just like this. Okay, so let me wash this one, then I'll show you 1 or 3 pieces how to roll it. Okay, see, this is how it looks like now, and I have the kitchen towel here, which is can use for 2 or 3 times and then throw away. So just wash and wet and wipe off the salty, because we cannot wash this skin, it will melt. So just like that. Okay, so and I'm going to roll. Okay, so I have the mixture of flour here, just to brush a little here bit in the end to seal so that the thing will stick. So in here I just put 1 spoon each. So this is how I roll now. Okay, it's like spring roll actually. Yeah, exactly the same as spring roll. So not too thick, or else yeah, won't cook inside. So just nice and rollable. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's like that. So as you can see. Oh, I forgot to seal. Actually, we have to. It's okay. The next one I'm going to show you must seal first. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. Our Ngoh Hiang. Okay, next one. Have to wipe again. I need to put the flour in the end so that it can stick. Forgotten to wipe it off. Salt. Okay. So just like this. And again, I put another 1 spoon in here. You can see clearly. So just like that. Actually, it's fold here so that Yeah. So round. Oh, anyway, you can put shiitake mushroom, dried shiitake mushroom. What? But because I don't have shiitake mushroom. See, just like this. Or Ngoh Hiang. They call it Ngoh Hiang. I just don't know how to call it in English because this is a Singapore style. Okay, one more here. I just washed my kitchen cloth here, so get rid of the salt so that it's not so salty. And again, I need to put the flour, add a mixture of flour, and one more. Yeah. To serve in the side so that it won't it's nice, right? So this is our Ngoh Hiang, how to pronounce it. Okay, as you can see here, my Ngoh Hiang or spring roll, I must say. It's easier. So it's done. So in here, so I just okay, this is not perfect, so it's fine. Some is fat, some is thin. So I'm going in here. I got the steamer here. I got the big wok. I'm going to steam this one first for 20 minutes to cook the minced meat inside, and then before fry. So when fry, no need to deep fry because the minced meat's already cooked. So yeah, so my steamer here, I got the water, and to this I just spread the oil so that won't stick, my skin won't stick on the thing. Yeah, see, just like that. So I'm going to steam this one. Yeah, so I don't need to wait to boil before to put the thing. So now I can put it now. So it doesn't matter because this one is minced meat anyway. So yeah, let me put this oil first. So this is how I steam. So it looks like now. So steaming is done. So I try to transfer it here to let it cool a while, and then I get to fry. So now I get to fry our spring roll or Ngoh Hiang. Okay, we fry now. Look at that. That's why I like to fry in this deep pot so that the oil won't. As you can see, the skin is very crispy now. So I just need to fry the skin to make it crispy. Anyway, the inside the minced meat already cooked because I steam it. So just fry for a while till all the skin will become crispy, brown and crispy. So I think this one is enough. Dip the oil. So it's very fast. So this is how it looks like now. Our Ngoh Hiang minced pork spring roll. Okay, so let me slice for this one. Can hear. Let's try. So this is the sauce, but I don't want to dip it. chestnut. It's crunchy from the soybean skin, and the crunchiness from the butter chestnut inside. Just perfect. So our Ngoh Hiang is done. Ready to serve. So, Ngoh Hiang,